Just down here on one of the boundary fences. It's already, the scrub's been cleaned up. We need to replace this fence. Just got a few trees down there that need to be taken out. We've already replaced that bit of the fence. Alright, let's get into it. Alrighty, we're back. It rained out the other day, but we've got our 2 posts set up here. Just got to put one more post in down there. Can rip all this fence out. Start putting some new fence in. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, I had to go and grab some stuff from town. We thought we'd give the wallaby a bit of food. This one was a burn victim, which has been rehabilitated and hopefully released soon. Alright, so we got the fence line cleared all the way down to there. Just put the assemblies in, the stays, and then we'll start running some wire.